Hey everyone, this is Deepali and you are watching my channel English with Deepali, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about common mistakes in spoken English. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. And don't skip this video because this video going to help you to reduce your grammar mistakes. And without any further ado, let's get into video. First, using the wrong helping verb. She don't like coffee. Correct sentence is she doesn't like coffee. Use doesn't with he, she, it and don't with I, you, we, they. Second, wrong use of is are. People is waiting outside. Correct sentence is people are waiting outside. Always use are with plural forms. Third, missing the third person verb. He go to the school. Correct sentence is he goes to the school. Always use e and es with he, she, it. Fourth, incorrect tense with did. He didn't went to the party. Correct. He didn't go to the party. Always use for base form of the verb after did. Fifth, wrong use of have and has. She have finished her work. Correct sentence is she has finished her work. So always use has with he, she, it and have with I, you, we and they. Now six, much versus many confusion. I don't have much friends. Correct sentence is I don't have many friends. Always use much with uncountable noun and many with countable noun. I don't have many friends. 7. Wrong use of there and they were. They were going to the park. They were going to the park. So there are three there. There is a book. There is a red car. And third, they are my friends. 8. Incorrect preposition. I am waiting for you since morning. Correct sentence is I have been waiting for you since morning. Since shows starting point and for shows duration. 9th, double negatives. Mistake. I don't know nothing. Correct. I don't know anything. Use only one negative word in a same sentence. I don't know anything. 10th, wrong order of words in question. Mistake. You are coming today. Correct. Are you coming today? You must always use helping verbs before the sentence. You must use helping verb to ask the question. Is, are, do, did, will and etc. 11. She has two children. Correct sentence is she has two children. Next is wrong use of a and an. He is an honest man. Correct sentence. He is an honest man. Always use and with vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Missing subject or article. Is raining outside. Correct. It is raining outside. Never skip subject in English sentence. Next, wrong use of more better. This one is more better. Correct is this one is better. You should not use more better with better, worst, or easier. Next, incorrect time expression. I'm here since 2 hours. Correct. I have been here for 2 hours. Now 16. Can versus could confusion. Yesterday I can go there. Correct is yesterday I could go there. You must use can with present and could with past. Used to mistake. I used to play cricket. Correct. I used to play cricket. So always use used to for past abilities or situation. 17. Few versus a few confusion. I have few friends. It shows negative impression. I have a few friends. It shows positive expressions. Using very with superlative. This is very best book. Correct is this is best book. Don't use very with best. Now last but not least, wrong use of was or were. If I was you, I would go. Correct. If I were you, I would go. Use were in imaginary and unreal situation. So in this video I had shared 20 common mistakes that we always make while speaking in English. So I hope that this video will definitely help you to get one step closer to your fluency. I also want please comment the common mistake you always make while speaking in English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.